Now we are looking for the equations based on this drawing from the graphs. And let's try. Okay, number 13. Given the graph of f of x is on the left, and determine the equation of g of x on the right in terms of f of x. So we assume we have the same basis for the logarithms, okay? So g of x can be written as log of base 2 over x. So let's see what happened here. I noticed that vertical asymptote is changed. What happened? That moved to left to 4, right? So in the equation, what do I need? Log with the base 2 in the parentheses x plus 4 or minus 4? It is moving to the left to 4, but I don't put negative 4. I need to put plus 4, right? Okay. So everything goes to 4. So let me start with this point. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. But it's not there. It is going over here. Right? So over here. So what do I describe? Up to? Okay, and then let's see, plus 2. Now let's check with the other point, okay? This point was here. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and then up 2 is there. Is it same location? Yes, that'll work, right? And just in case, let's check one more point here. So if we have a third point from here, let's see, is it going there? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, in the middle here, and then 2 points higher. So that's right. So that makes sense. Is there any stretch or reflection? No. So that is the equation. So you use transformations, sequence of transformations, and we can write the equation from there. Do I have to put parentheses in this equation? Yes, it must be. Otherwise, it is confusing with this. Okay, so we have to separate the input with that. Next question, number 14. The graph below is a function of the form like that. Determine what is A. So let's see. F of x equals to log with the base A with x. So I'm going to use ordered pair, okay? So let me change the color. I'm using 1 and 0. Let's plug 1 and 0. 1 is x coordinate, 0 is y coordinate. In other words, f of x is y, okay? So 0 equals to log with the base A with the number 1. Is it giving you any information? No, because anything to the 0 power is defined as 1. It doesn't give us any information. So it was not necessary to do that problem, okay? So let's use the other point. I have another point other than 1 and 0. That is 3 and 1. So let's plug this in the given equation. 1 equals to log with the base A. A is what I'm looking for. And plug number 3, and that's going to be 1. What would be the base to make this as 1? So think about 3 to the first power, invisible 1, okay? And A must be the same as the base of the exponential function, right? So A must be 3. That's how we find A. So choose the good number to plug in, other than the common point from all exponential or logarithmic functions, okay? Question number 15. The graph below is a function of the form like that. Determine the parameters A and B. So I have 2 points other than 1 and 0. So let's see. So I'm directly plugging the points, okay? Let me start with 4 and 0. So 0 is going to be log base with A, 4 plus B. And the other one will be written with the green, okay? 1 equals to log with the same base A, and then 5 plus B, okay. So from the first equation, what information do I get? How do I get 0 for that? Don't know? And then let's pass. And then let's do the second one. How do I get 1 from the second equation? 5 plus b must be equal to a to the first power, and then we get 1 as an exponent, right? So that's the same thing. So that's right. So 5 plus b must be a, same as a. So this is going to be one thing. Okay, so 5 plus b must be same as a to get 1, right? So let's see. That is one equation we need to do. That means I need to know either one of the answer, right? So let's go back to the first equation here and let's see. Can I get 0 value? When do I get, when I have 0 for the exponent logarithm, what is the value? Anything to the 0 power is defined as 1. So this quantity 4 plus b must be equal to 1. Okay, log 1 with any base can be 0. So from this I get b. What is b? Subtract 4 from both sides, that is negative 3. So we found 1b, and let's back to this equation, and this is going to be same. So 5 plus negative 3 is going to be a, so a will be 2. So we can find a and b. Okay, same technique. Use the substitution method, and we have two equations that is called the system of equations. So we need to solve for those. Use all the information we have.